Hey, я Olga from Russian for Fun. Welcome to Lesson 8 of the easiest Russian course for total beginners. We are learning Russian from scratch here, one step at a time, and I'm doing my best to make it as easy as possible. Let's not waste any more time and just dive straight into Russian. First thing first, let's warm up and go over these simple sentences with new Russian names and some dishes we've already met earlier. First, you read a phrase out loud, and then I will. Let's go! Great job! Kaya ест тост. And again, more natural. Kaya ест тост. Next phrase. Now it's my turn to read. Яна ест салат. And more natural. Яна ест салат. The next phrase is Лика ест щи. And more natural way to say it. Лика ест щи. Read the next phrase. Now I read. Лила ест ананас. And again, in a more natural way. Лила ест ананас. Perfect. Let's add a few more foods to our vocab using only the letters we already know. I'm gonna take a small pause so you can say it first. Let's begin. Look. And again, look. Look means onion. Do you like look? Now let's use the word look in a sentence. First, you read it, then I'll go. Ready? Let's begin. Okay, it's my turn to read now. Ната ест лук. Again, more natural. Ната ест лук. Now let's read one more new word. First you read. My turn. Лимон. 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 Once again. Лимон. 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 Limon just means lemon. Let's try the word limon in a sentence now. Your turn to read it. Now it's my turn to read. Лилия ест лимон. Once again, in a more natural way, Лилия ест лимон. Let's give one more food a try, using the letters we already know. First, you read Well done. It's кускус. Кус-кус. Кускус. And again, кускус. Кускус. Кускус is just couscous. Let's make a sentence with the word couscous now. First, you read the sentence. Now I read. Лидия ест кускус. Once again, Лидия ест кускус. Okay, let's learn one more food. You read first. Утка. 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 Again, утка. Утка. Утка means duck in English. Now let's remember the word he in Russian from our previous lesson and say, he's eating duck. Read it first on your own. It's my turn to read now. Он ест утку. And again, он ест утку. Have you noticed we said утку instead of утка? Remember the same case we had in the sentences from lesson 6. Like when we said, I'm looking for a bag. A bag means sumka in Russian. But in this phrase, we change the final letter A at the end of the word sumka to U. So we have sumku instead of sumka. And the whole phrase is Я ищу сумку, which means I'm looking for a bag. Now let's go back to our phrase he's eating duck. The word утка ends with the letter A, so we change it to U and have the phrase Он ест утку. Now let's see how this rule works with another example. But first, we gotta learn about one more Russian dish that has a letter we haven't met yet. So, let's get to know that letter first. The letter R. Once again, R. 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 Now let's read a new word with the letter R. Икра. икра, икра. One more time. Икра, 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 икра. Икра means caviar. Now let's use the word икра in our phrase he is eating caviar. Let's just read the phrase first. Он ест икру. Он ест икру. And again, more natural. Он ест икру. Он ест икру. Did you notice that we say икру instead of икра? The word икра ends with the letter A, so we change it to U. Same as we did with the word утка and сумка. Let's continue practicing the Russian letter R with a new word. How about you read it first by yourself? Great! Now it's my turn to read it. Торт, торт, торт. Торт means cake in English. Let's use the word торт in a phrase we already know very well. Wanna read it on your own first? Good job! Он ест торт. Again. Он ест торт. Он ест торт. Great! Let's keep going and learn another word with our new Russian letter, R. Let's read it together. Listen and repeat after me, trying to imitate me. Рис. Again. Рис. One more time. Рис. Рис. Рис means rice. To read the Russian word рис correctly, we need our first Russian reading rule. Remember it? A consonant before the letter E becomes soft, like this. R, R, R. Let's read the last phrase of today's lesson. Он ест рис. Once again. Он ест рис. Он ест рис. That's it for today's lesson. If you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!